Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Wisely with Cashapp. So if you're looking to link Cashapp with Wisely, then this video is for you. And if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 when you sign up. Now, once you sign up, you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Go in the upper right hand side, click on the profile icon, and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. Now, if you don't see the word linked banks, it might say linked card or linked debit card. Go ahead and click on that also, but for here we're just going to click on linked banks. And then as you can see, I do have my debit card linked here already, so go ahead and click on linked bank afterwards, and then wait a couple of seconds and then click on continue, and then afterwards find Wisely. So Wisely is on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, this is when you're going to log into your Wisely account and then check mark the boxes which you want linked to your Cash App account. So you can choose your savings account or you can choose your checkings account, but that is how you link Cash App to Wisely. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 when you do sign up, instantly deposited into your Cash App account. So I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.